Hey everyone, Gaming ADI here. Welcome back to Techtonica. In the last episode, we got our assembler up and running, as well as a few other bits and pieces. But we're making some of these processing units. You'll notice on the left-hand side there, we've almost made that to decipher the signal. Look in here. Almost got our 40 to open a door. We just need another 2. It looks like we've deciphered our signal. Excellent. Got our 40. I think what we'll do, take these out because it's pointless carrying on with that if we don't need to, but we do need accumulators. So we can set it going making accumulators. That could decipher the next signal. That's paused. Why is that paused? In the middle of doing something? I don't know where all these things have come from. Got all these little icons and showing which way the belts go and everything else at the minute. I mean, it's handy, don't get me wrong. Don't know how I've switched it on. So the only thing I did earlier in the settings was I turned the mouse sensitivity down. It was way too much. So but yeah, I mean, I like them, don't get me wrong, but I don't know. Why is this paused? We have to put it back to that. Chuck in one of them. Have to make it do that. Change to accumulator. Is that the way we do it? Ah, I need some of that as well, don't I? Okay, that's cool. That's cool. We got a load of that anyway. So now we have our processing units. We can go and open the door to that little office in the warehouse section that we found last episode. Now there's been a few changes. I've done a little patch that came out yesterday, I believe. Let's get some of this. Ooh. Which apparently on the map it shows you can turn things on and off, so I should be able to find where that door is. But yeah, there's a various few little fixes they brought out in a patch yesterday. So let's go start this off. Hopefully we'll get another one of these tasks out the way by making some of these. Chuck that in there. These cranked back up again. I can't wait to get some other power up and running. Right, so map. Okay. Oh my god, look how many cubes we've got. Jesus. That is our cube pile. Not cube, that's our core pile. That is massive. Holy Jesus. Okay. This is not going to take long, is it? I reckon 3 of these and this will be done. We'll leave it going though. Let's go place these things in that door. We'll throw them in there. And then we will repair access door. systems online.
We're in. Scan those mining charges. And that computer has something up with it, too.
We got mining charges.
Something keeps pinging this terminal with the most irritating supply requisition I've ever seen. Wait. It's the Excalibur. But why would they requisition? Hold on. It's not a requisition at all. Someone is using the supply management system to send a distress call?
Automated distress call received. Waypoint added to system display.
An automated distress call? I've only ever seen one of these in training. It shouldn't even happen. These beacons only light up when someone becomes unable to trigger a distress call themselves. Or worse. We need to find the source of that signal. Somebody needs our help.
Okay. Okay, so now we're on a rescue mission. And we've got charges to play with. Where's that? There's nothing there anymore. We've got two things up here now. Also, while I was on the way back, we got a new... those batteries got done, so we've got a new point to go and look at on the map. We need to go back to the really annoying pinging radio thing. Now we've got this EB to go look at as well. Let's get these back up and running. These are not charging very well. I think I've got too much going on in here. It's pulling too much power. Okay, right. Let's go back to the radio place. Hey, this jetpack thing, it's good and all, but it's very slow. Right.
Signal triangulated. New location added to HUD. Beware of current.
Beware of current. Supply and repair door with 300 processor units and 800 advanced circuits. Wow. Okay. It'd be nice if those things would show up on here. So, where is it? We've got HA. Where's the emergency? There we go. Emergency broadcast. Okay. So it'd be nice if that would show up on here. So I know it's in that direction, but there's nothing shows up on the map. Now I'm wondering if that's because... Oh, one of the powers has just run out. I'm wondering if that's because the map that we're seeing is like a sonar. Because if you look, it actually only shows a certain amount of it. We're saying that. It is showing some green stuff over there. So let's head in this direction. We're going to need the mole, aren't we? There's no way around it. It's where do we go through? No, what's this? It's something new. Do we get to mine it?
Extraterrestrial material detected. Advanced mining drill or upgraded tool required.
Okay.
That plan sucks. Breaker, you're going to build and place as many mining charges as it takes to blow this wall into the next sector. We need to get to that distress call as soon as possible.
Okay then. Ah, okay. Kindlevine or Kind Levine. Okay, so have a lot of this rock. Oh, hold on, what's that through there? I can see it. I can see it, but we can't get through there, and we can't do anything with this until we make charges. Okay. So we need to make some charges. How do we make charges? Where are the charges? Logistics. Base building, equipment. We not make coolant, iron frame, copper frame. Okay. Mining drill, smelter, assembler. So where are... Do we have to open them on the tech tree? By the way, look at how many cores we've got. 600 or 630. Ouch, loads. Mining charges. Okay, so we need to get up another level to open up mining charges. So we need to head back. Okay. So what we'll do, we'll go and pick up some more that plant matter stuff. That's the way out, isn't it? Yeah. Okay. We're going to go back in here. Set these re-going. And what we got in here? Oh, we got a lot of that. So we'll take that. Anything in the machine? Yep, we'll take that as well. And that. That could go in there with that. Right, let's chuck all that in there. We'll take them out. We also need electrical components. I've only got 4 left. Okay, so we need to make a load of electrical components. Electrical components. We need that and that wire. Got loads of copper ingots, but we haven't got much copper wire. Much copper we got in here. Okay, we'll take that. And we will... And yes, I know, before anyone says anything, I know that you can get the assemblers to do all this for you. For the minute, I think it's quicker and easier if I just do it myself. I haven't exactly got a lot of room here, although I guess we could go out here. Okay, we could make some flooring and go out here and make another assembler. Make copper wire. Or we could even put an assembler in here to make copper wire. Running out of plant matter, aren't we? Can we use that as well? No. Ba-da-ba-ba-ba-bam. HA, we need to go and look at that. Okay, let's put another floor down. Have we got any floors? Who we have? We got 55 of them. Not going to be powered because they're not touching this one. Need to go from this one, don't I? Even then, it's not. Why is it not powered? Why is this floor not powered? That floor is. That's a little bit strange. Okay, do we have any more assemblers? No. Make an assembler. No. We need mechanical components. Right, let's chuck in all of this that we've got. Then we'll cancel the crafting on that. Need mechanical components. Iron ingots. Should have a few of them. Only a few as well. It's not many. Right, now then, we need to make an assembler. Did all this run out of fuel as well? Oh, this is still going. Chuck that in there. Get it out of the way. Okay, now an assembler. Where are we going to put this? I need to have an inserter. Take those bricks off. Have an inserter. No, that one. There we go. To go that way. This will make some copper wire. Start these back up. Okay, so we've got copper wire being made. And we have in here electrical components. We're gonna need more stuff, aren't we? We need a lot more biofuel. Can that be used? No? Because it was highlighted, I thought that might have been able to be used as fuel, but obviously not. So, right. Bear with me, guys. I need to go and get a load of fuel. So I will be back in a bit. Okay, so back again after collecting just a little bit of plant matter. It's a shame that we have to collect this plant matter because some of it looks really nice. But is what it is. So, how are we doing here? We are still making that. Output is full. I'd imagine copper wire is probably going to be quite useful, isn't it? Base building. Let's make some more of these. Probably didn't want to quite do that much. That's it. So yeah, I'd imagine copper wire is one of those things that we need to make a lot of. Just wondering if it's worth making this. Just noticed that this is now powered. It wasn't powered before. Interesting. Yeah, what I'm thinking is if I put this on a into this, then we can permanently have this being made then, can't we? That will come out of there and go into there. Go from there to there. That way that will keep going. How many of these have we got now? Why is that full? That shouldn't fill up because this should keep going. Unless these aren't. They're not keeping up. Maybe we should change that for a fast one. Ba 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 ba. Now you'll keep up. Out of wire. Okay, so we need 180 of these plant matter frames. So plant matter frames. Plant matter. I thought it needed. I'm an idiot. I am an idiot. Plant matter frames just take that stuff, don't they? Such a jerk. Making these bloody things, I don't even need them. Right, let's leave that playing out. And then while that's going, this will probably come to a standstill. I'm sure we're going to run out of we're gonna be running out of space on this, aren't we? Let's face it. Can't be many more that can go in this. Gotta be coming to a standstill soon. So we need to be thinking about one, making another one of these core thingies. Where are we going to make that? Because there's not a lot of room here, is there? Well, I could flatten that down. Could flatten that. Put it. Then we could move these. Quite easily put them over here. In there, is there still? No, so we can get rid of that. You and you and you and you. So we could even put it this side. Just wondering about getting another drill in, actually. Probably do with another drill. Put another drill in there. Not like we're never going to need more iron, is it? Let's make another drill. Make another 2 drills. And then the drills there. Go down and there. So, much space have I left between them? It's the one, isn't it? Yeah. Let's put that in there. These are quite easily keeping up with that, aren't they? If anything... No, it is a... It's like a 0 to a 0, isn't it? So it's... If I was to replace that with a fast one... That be any better? What's that got in it? Okay, so that's got quite a lot in it. So I reckon we could up both of these to fast ones. That would probably empty that out. The hell? Okay. Now, in the tech tree, there is a smelting speed 2. We could smelt the blocks a lot quicker. I think we should go for that. And there's also a mining speed 2. We'll get that. We'll also get that. We need to be making these fast inserters and conveyor belt 2. It's 360. It's a lot. It's a lot. But anything else we really need? We've got all of them. This mass... I'm going to get this mass collect. Because I don't know what it is and I want to see what it does. We're going to get fast insert. We've got 360. It's going to be 570, isn't it? We haven't got enough to do both of these. I think we'll go with the fast inserters first and that. That's what we need more. So that's keeping up with that quite well now. So these have now got faster. Probably going to go through their fuel more. These have now got faster. I think what we'll do is we'll do the same here. Put in a fast... no, that one. Goes into there. And then that one can be got rid of. That goes there. That should speed that up. Oh shit, they need to be on a power floor. Okay. There you go. Okay, so that should up the amount of bricks we have coming out now. And then with this one going as well, we're gonna power floor this bit here. And then we can get that. Where's it gonna go? Need another smelter, aren't we? Smelter. Make one of them. No room for it on there. Put it in the end here. There it is. And spin that around. We got between there 1, 2, isn't it? 2. And then we're going to want to go back to that. That's in line with that. There with some belt. Chuck some stuff in there. And then come out of there. Just a normal one. Then we're going to chuck it into here. Hopefully. Belt. Hopefully what I want to do is go straight into there. Cool. Now we have more iron being made. Probably just as well, given the amount that we're going to need. Really probably work out how much power we're taking. Here, these we got now. 101, getting there. Right, now. Let's go have a look at the copper. See if we can do the same with copper and add another one of them in. Should be able to do. Get another drill in, but it's getting the extra smelter in that's going to be a little bit difficult. A lot of room. Can we mold that out? So now we can switch modes on this. Go for flatten. On a tunnel at the minute. Want to see that goes back. Okay. So that is the edge of that. That's the edge of that. Okay. Okay, so what if I knocked that back a little bit? Could I get a drill in there? Plus, do I need to do the same with these inserters here? Think I do. Right, let's play with these inserters. Get a fast inserter on there. Ah, yes, power floor. Power. Okay, let's put that back a minute. We need to get power down here, don't we? So why are you one of them? Be a normal one. That's it. How do we get power down here? How do we get it lower? Do I need it lower, or do I just need to move everything up? If I bring that floor straight across here, drills will still be able to drill that. Everything will be up a little bit. There's an interesting thought. Everything will be on the same level. Some more of that in. Okay. Yes, I think we're going to have a look at that. We're going to change all this copper up. We're going to try and bring this power floor straight over. We could probably even take that back, couldn't we? Can we get rid of this completely? Make it even easier. Yes, I think we can. Okay. So, what I'm going to do then, because we're pretty much at the end of the video anyway, off camera, I'm going to try and get this cleared out. And then I'm going to do the power floor. And bring the power floor all the way over here. So that when we can redo all of these drills and everything else. But on a different level. Because I can't see a way, except for putting in more crank generators. Talking of which, I can't see a way of making the floor lower and still tapping into this power. So we're just going to have to take the floor straight over. Yeah. I think that'll work. So, thank you very much for watching, guys. We're going to call it there. If you enjoyed the content, don't forget to hit the like button. If you're new here, please consider subscribing. Any tips that you've got, let me know. If you think I'm doing the wrong thing with bringing this power floor over, again, let me know. And yeah, I'll catch you in the next episode. Catch you later, guys.